average part 1 na concept le formula yet kitina questions bangza ya mi ya to na hi average part 2 a questions hi sun zom non ding ya hi le question bangza hiam khon kai khom ya variety che tom tom chi tom tom te exam tom 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 pai khom te average to ki sai ma wai te ya bana ban in so solve to ding ha mun khen khat banga shortcut akin zo de wai the dan de te le wai te le ki helding studying in a question ending the average of 10 number is 30 if the average of first 6 number is 17.5 and that of the last 6 is 42.5 then what is the sixth number here ma'am average of 11 number ha 30 and total bang total ka 11 into 30 equal to 330 on here tuna average of first 6 numbers ka 17.5 on here total ka 6 into 17.5 ka bangga 0 ila 05 05 ma'am average of last 6 kitchen on ka 42.5 here total ka 6 into 40.5 ka 255.0 ma'am ये handwriting का हम लोग खोल के आया एक का साथ पढ़ना है हम हो जाके ना थीसी हम दीना कहोंगे ना तो ना हिले ये sixth number का चिदानी संख्या देंगा या टिकल नि sum minus है हम ही देंगे मो टिकल नि sum मंगजा 1.5 0 plus 255 330 गोम नहीं 360 में minus 330 ही आया का 30 अंशवा अहिले 6th term पेन का 6th number पेन का 30 है आंसर है तो ना बाना पाई देगा the average of 15 number is 15 if the average of first 5 number is 14 and that of 9 numbers is 14 and 9 number 16 then find the middle number चाहिए आया 15 average of 15 number का 15 होंगे चाहिए मो पहले total का बंगा 15 into 15 equal to 225 होंगे मो पहले तो ना average of first 5 numbers average of first 5 चाहिए 5 into 14 only in 70 on average of other 9 take actually representing 9 into 16 का total इनका total on क्या एक और लिया है total पेन का हम ही कामसा हम average of पंजा की क्या ले है का 14 में नेका 14 जो total पंजा 14 into 5 equal to 70 में नेका 16 में total का पंजा 9 into 16 equal to 4144 अच्छा तो हम middle numbers on देंगे middle number given by total minus 70 plus 144 total bangsa 225 minus 214 equal to 11 middle number का है आंसर है ऐदा ना ही देंगे तो ना बाने पे देंगा ऐसा average speed तो किस है ये average speed तो किस है solve मायने है या average speed formula पंजा हम काउंट गेन नो पमा वाते यन मुसदिंगा average speed तो किस है ही चीना काउंट खेंदेंगा ने इयम सकदेंगा है या का distance की बंग चने distance is same. More distance is same hi chang kha average kha speed ni bang hi le 2xy upon x plus y ong hi ding. More chilo speed thum bang hi le variable thum speed ki pyak le x y z on x y plus y z plus zx ka sorting. X y le z ka speed mo. Yaka distance akibat le chi nai. Tuna ya distance is different. Y ke saling. Au ma y ha average ka. Take na ding na ya. X plus y upon x is 1 plus y is 2. Wow. Yaka two variable chia two distance ni ading in ya ding a thumbang hi le x plus y plus z tina x s1 y s2 z s3 mo ya dan ya x y le z ka distance s1 s2 s3 te ka speed mo ta nahi tuna hi te hi question tong to ni na Thisiam be som dinga. A boy goes to school from home at a speed of 10 km and returns back at 30 km per hour. Find the average speed. Cheya. Yaka home to school. Let's school to home. Yaka 10 km per hour. Yaka 30 km per hour. Here to have formula is a thing. Hele. Pang pen hi dele ya formula depend ka same distance hai chu oi jaka variable speed la ni mo oi jaka 2xy x plus y pen za ding in ya ka 2 into 10 into 30 upon 10 plus 30 equal to 60 into 40 ile 4 1 is 4 yeah 600 no la 4 1 is 4 4 5 is 15 average ka 15 km per hour ya khan sari mai uchilo wa variable speed kha thumbang hi le dena jima banga 3x y z ma x y plus z plus x zang how cha na average ong ding mai ba nai pai dinga nai pe na hi le the man covers 10 km at a speed of 5 km per hour 35 km at a speed of 7 and 30 at a speed of 15 km per hour. Find average speed here pen kha different distance ong to mo dena different distance size at pen kha ong pai ding ya d1 kha 10 d2 kha 35 d3 kha 30 mo ya kha 10 s1 kha 5 s2 kha 7 s3 kha 15 here to na formula input le hang distance ka 10 plus 35 plus 30 am then 10 upon 5 plus 35 upon 7 plus 30 upon 15 ne khabang sa hele ka 6 75 75 am dinga 75 anwaya ka 2 plus 5 plus 2 equal to 75.9 ma 3 3 to the 6 2 to the 15 3 to the 24 china approximately ang ma average speed ka has ang ide Edan hitinga de siamo igingta abanai paide tuna average age here the average age of students is 7 years and average age of 10 teachers is 50 years. If the average age of the group of all teachers and students is 8 years, find the number of students. Number of students, let number of student be next. Let the average age of students is 7 years. Bell student tenga average 7 years ma. Let total abang heading. Total age student yaka 7 into x equal to 7x on heading ma. Let teacher yaka 10 into 50 equal to 500 on each. Let whole abe kuaka total ka bang teacher bangza som student bangza kithelo x I think 8 to hilang total long paiding yai statement dong zoya ma ele tuna hayon equating 7x plus 500 equal to 10x plus 8x 10x kacha 8x ya ka 8 yung ini aya yang umlo dingin tuna banai paiding ya ka 7x ka wala maun laleng 80 ka wala maun laleng 420 equal to x on hi aile number of student ka 420 china mo answer ki mo heda na hi ding hi atsalo hi tuna abani paidinga age question no na ya hi 2 years ago the average of age of a family of 5 members was 16 years. After a baby is born, the average age of family is the same today. Find the present age of the baby. Kichima. Highly I solved dinga. 2 years ago here. 2 years ago. Family of 5 members was 60 years average. Average of 5 members. Jenny equal to 16. Highly total age ka bangza 5 into 16 equal to 80 on pa 2 years ago. I later present 2 years ihun belam ngai 2 years ihun belam na dekha yai mi nga te aleng abeka 2 years on ki belam ngai mo wai dekha 5 into 2 10 years ka on ki belam ngai hele to presently total age of 5 member dekha 80 plus 10 years on hi ngai mo 90 years on pa asiak bel ya 80 pen kha kum ni paisa mi nga ai chu to kum ni nunga ichi dek chakha ya kha kum somi honen ngai asiak ka mi nga a kuma kha kum ni hong ki belap cha de ngai nai tuna present akha naon nei taw ai nawon nei ta ko kha ya average of the age of family is the same today chu average kha ko som le ko khin chinwa kha 2 present ale same chi chang kha average of 6 people is 16 maungi cho ile total bangza total age 16 into 6 is 96 years on pamo ile kwang ki bela poma baby ile baby age kha 96 minus 90 hileng 6 years ya kha baby age ong swak mai cho hi ta jon khyak dia hi pelam takinai songkhya hi practice le hang he sangale hi kinjo hi theding ni hi gingta hi tuna banai paidinga ya the average marks obtained by 150 students is 30 if the average marks of pass candidate was 40 and that of failed candidate as 20 find the number of candidate who passed the exam so I le passed candidate ha x chile hang ma ahi le tuna student khas ale som nga cho average marks of one student is average of 150 student is 30 hele total ka bangza hi ding total ka 150 into 30 equal to 4500 hi cha chehina tuna pass candidate te akha 40 average of pass candidate te akha 40 hele total ka bangza pass candidate ka nx ke chima x into 40 ong hi ding hele average of failed candidate ka bangza ale 20 hele total ka bangza ong hi ding pass x hele 150 minus x ka fail ong hi ding hatia ka 20 hen ka total on pe tuna equate le hang 4500 equal to x 40 plus 150 minus x 20 ma 40x plus 3000 minus 20x ong hin eka 20x 3000 pen hala maila kyak le 1500 ong hi china hi le hang x ka 75 ong hi ma eka number of pass candidate answer ki mo heda na hi dinga ya step by step chin hi le hang hak sa hello wa hi tuna ba ni pai dinga cricket ta te ngom non ta chitwam the average of runs of a cricket player of 10 inning was 32 how many runs must he make in his next inning so as to increase his average of runs by 4 chaya average cricketer player akha 10 innings akha 32 mala average hai le total run bangza bola le total run in 10 innings ka 10 into 32 equal to 320 and ball ma hai how many runs must he make in his next so as to increase his average of run by 4 chechu average kha 32 hin chinwa kha 4 increase ding chaya hele bangzara na ball ngai 11 innings amo 11 innings arana ball za x chini mala hele wa kha tutana rana ball za to gomina innings sa total bangza 11 ong ita hele average lui kha bangza 32 bangza increase ding 4 increase ding dan equation ong pai ma hele to na hayon solve ding 320 equal to 36 ya pen hala mala to le hang into 11 x plus 320 equal to abang zam pai 16396 mala x 3396 minus 320 which is 76 on pi x hele aman kha 11 inning sa kha ya za run ball in chin average kha 4 increase ya ka answer mo tuna bani pai dinga in the first 10 overs of a cricket game the run rate was only 3.2 more what should be the run rate in the remaining 40 overs to reach the target of 282 runs yeah cricket hi over 50 or mama I le hai 10 overs run rate ka 3.2 run rate hai run rate ka average in la le hang lak the hi average hi mai hi I le 10 overs ka 3.2 ball run rate ka 3.2 mo I le total run bangza 10 equal to 3.2 equal to 32 run 10 over ka 32 run chawun ball ta hoi chu I le to kha 50 abang za dewa 50 akha 2822 target chu chu ave kamo hilele to 10 overs akha 32 chawun bolu ai le remaining 40 overs humlai wa akha bangza hun de wale 250 runs on de uma ai le hwai zong khya na da khya bang za hi nga le rana de za kha 250 pen kha over om za ina divide le hang run rate chia average chia run rate ki mo mai ding mo ya kha bang za 4 6 za 24 425 ya kha run rate of the to reach 282 in the remaining 40 overs mo ya hi answer chida na hi ding hi tuna ba nai pai ding a the siam ding ina king ta ba na pai ding ne chu hin tuna he la hi khit sama la hi khit ya pen three numbers such that if the average of only two of them is added to the third number, the sums are obtained as 168, 174 and 180 as per. What is the average of the original numbers? Yeah, I let the numbers be A, B and C. According to if the average of two of them is added to the third number, the sums obtained are respectively I lekha A plus B A 168 B plus C upon 2 A 174 C plus A by 2 B 180 chida na ya to na haite solve to le hang A plus B plus 2C equal to 168 into 2 ang hitama B plus C plus 2A equal to 174 into 2 C plus A plus 2B equal to 180 into 2 to na heteng hone le hang 4A plus B plus C equal to 2 into 168 plus 174 plus 180 I think ni cancel le hang 2 A plus B plus C equal to I think gom le bangga 5 2 hong din so na A plus B plus C equal to 5 2 upon 2 ma to na hai kam the question in the banga what is the average of the original numbers average of original numbers is A plus B plus C जो original numbers mole 3 here cho de mo bangza dia ya value le to n khai hai ki muta tu na 3 in divide ni A plus B plus C upon 3 equal to 522 upon 6 ang hi cha le tu na divide le hang 87 ong pai hai kha idei wa hi answer mo ya dana ya dan long zu kha idei kha 87 ya dana hi ya maleleng ya step ki saw ma mo yet le saw ma hun tam la ding ai le hai asok the danom dia mi chi le hi lampi khata ma wa kha kahon gen dinga ai khai chin hi le hang kin za deu dia kin ta ke hem ai dan in consonant mang dinga to hai kha hitale question ya dan chet hong ki piak le hi ai to lot lo wa hai tam te kha and in wana ko hong ki dong pen banga what is the average of the original numbers hong ki chi le hi ya value te 168 174 plus 180 te kha 6 divide le 6 divide le 522 le 6 anwaya imu then imu te ma hi mo 87 hong ki bang ve mo hai hoi ja ka kha hi dan question ong pa ya value tuam he ong tuam le hun dot pen the average of the original numbers hun dot lekha wa number te a da 6 divide ai le ya sum average tangina sum of the original number ong chi lekha ya om te kha wai te 8 din a plus b plus c cha 8 din sum ma chi jagah 2 divide di uchi hi le sum pen ong swag di mo ya kha cham te le hang poi mo ma hi kin deu ma solve ya te hi to en ya step sao pe solve te kha vai taka zo thei ma tuna banai pai dinga hiya 4 different positive numbers are written in ascending order. 1/3 of the average of all the 4 numbers is 19 less than the greatest of these numbers. Find the average of the first 3 numbers. If the average of the first 3 numbers is 12, the greatest number among the given number is hiya ma. Let's say number B, A, B, C and D ascending order hiya D kha greatest chinima. According to question kha 1/3 of A plus B plus C plus D ka average 1/3 for number is equal to D minus 19. Question dana khai hai if the average of the first 3 numbers is 12 hunjima A plus B plus C average ka 12 A plus B plus C ka 36. This implies that this mo hai we put it there 1 3 36 plus D 0.4 equal to D minus 19. Solving 36 plus D 0.12 equal to D minus 19. 36 plus D equal to D minus 19 whole 2. 36 plus D equal to 12 D minus 228 ma 11D equal to 228 plus 36 kitna 4 6 264 D by 11 equal to 24 mo answer ka 24 chida nahi yaida nina solve thai dinga salo takina aba nai pai dinga ya question yetem dinga what is the average of all numbers between 11 and 80 which are divisible by 6 chaya hai kha 11 akipan 80 ki kal 6 are divisible te jong ding chaya tuna 11 akipan hipetle 12 का 6 की divide है पाँचों also 18 also 24 also 30 चिना पाया अहिले 80 खचु divisible लाउँछौ अहिले 6 2 13 plus 2 लेखा 78 plus 2 equal to 80 अहिले 78 chu ki divisible चिना म है तना hi dinga अहिले ya le hi 6 ahia AP ahia mo AP uchi le bulama I formula isim kha ko why apply le hang average ki mupa the why dong zu hi le I banga I average of n terms of an AP kha first term plus last term upon 2 ki chimala to ne ha I apply 12 plus 78 upon 2 equal to 0890 upon 2 equal to 45 हमने का आंसर है चबाई लम तक आमु थे ही तो ना बाने पाई दिंगा a group of boy has an average of 36 kg मले and one boy weigh 42 leaves the group and another boy weighing 30 joins the group if the average becomes 35.7 kg then how many boys are there in the group edan le I formula abulama again kita mai ma leleng tuna I chituam de wina I dinga as per the question in ma ha number of boys ka kithelo let n mala n number of boys jo average ka bangza changena 36 inchen ahile ha normal in hile hang 36 into n ka total weight on peti minus 42 upon ke pen plus 30 hong load pen mom ahile alu le poto mai je ka n to n ge di ahile bangza average ki he ka to average bangza 36 aki pan haiza 35.7 kg ma ya I hun solve lekha 36n minus 12 upon n equal to 35.7 ma n pen halama ladinga 35.7 n ai le ichayon khek le hi 0.3 n equal to 12 hong pha n equal to 12 upon 0.3 equal to 120 into 3 equal to 40 ma. Number of students number of boys 40 ong pa answer mo. Which is allowed the approach tang khat leng ethea wai hi tun le yen pa dinga. Wai kha e comfortable danina I wai pen jang le hang average kha to 36 ai chu n number of boys te ama n number of boys ai le a new kha average kha 35.7 ai le kha bangza ki khia a le minus 0.3 ma ai le boy left weight kha bangza 42 kg ale new boy why kha bangza som tum ai le bangza ki khia minus 12 ha kya ma ai le yai hong ke pen kha I mi bangza boys bangza ki home diwa kha I 12 weight pen kha n boys ki home diwa kha bangza tangwai chile yai aki change pen mo wai aki change pen ja kha hong ki ban ngai ai le to hai equate le hi bangza hong pha n equal to kha minus mo n equal to 12 upon 0.3 ma phao ai le 120 by 3 equal to 40 so bai lam taka n ki mukhya ma number of boys hoi approach jang hiam che chu ngai khite tunga kon nga dinga ni hoi sak jan dan bai lam sak dan hi din tuna ba nai pai dinga tuna 7 friends spend rupees 14 each on a project and 8 friends spend the 8 friends mo mi lom gya taw mo 8 friends mo halaka mi sagi 10 kha 14 each spend to ai le agyat na 8 friend in kha average let it be x mo spends more 21 rupees more checho average sangwa 21 rupees spend more mo ai le what is the amount total spent by them chaya average ilova hi is only the total money spent hi ai le ya kha equation that in ion ball le hi bangjang phading ya mi chile 7 into 14 mala mi sagya aizo gyat na pa x plus 21 ve kami bangza mi gyat ai le average bangza gyat ma ai le ka 7 90 98 plus x plus 21 into 8x ma eka 119 plus x equal to 8x 7x equal to 119 x equal to 119 upon 7 eka 7 1 7 7 7 49 eka x ka I 17 ong pha average mo ai le total ka bangza hi ding chile 17 into mi bangza kya ile 136 total expenditure ka rupees 136 se ding hi ai le hai bang leng hi chilo the win approach na I en le hang anga chudio chi ngai da na ma hwai tan ne chom dinga hi hwai da na hi le ya mi gya to mala total ka 8 ya 8 friends ai le ya laka 7 people then ha 14 rupees each same way chu ai le average le aveka x mala himalaya 8 friend penun kha average plus 21 un senge we achi changa ama a to tela kha 21 un seng mo uchi ai le hai 21 extra pen kha mi sagi a te a hon pe kha hon cover khang swa kai le hai som ni le sagi pen mi sagi ai nom cha kha 3 hong pa cha 3 ai le mi sagi 10 white in 3 yon hom cha kha aveka mi kya ta 3 yon hom cha kha x average pen kha 17 hong pa mo te siamya ya 14 om sa to agyat na pen na 3 mi khat khatin thuma on tang mi sagi in thuma tango ile agyat na pa thum lekha ya ki included ai changa x ka 17 ong phain ajo changa total pen ha 17 into 8 hi lekha 136 ong pa mo ya dan hi hai chidan approach ni homa hi dana atunga hi dan thong ki bang sem mo wa khai mat siam le hi pai lam taka hi the ding hi tuna ba ni pai dinga in a class of 40 students 55 are girls. Okay dan hiya tuna hi hom dinga girls le boys in can de ha 45% ma uche le ha 55% on pau average marks aka hi girls le boys on can no na ha 54 le ha 46 ma ai le ha ratio ina 5 9 za 5 1 za chaken thein ai le ha ratio dan ina solve masak som le hang difference ka 8 cho ai le total ha 40 boys laka boys ka 40 students laka boys ka 55% hai le tamzo wa ja ka average marks chide a whole mark average of the whole class ka hon influence di wa ja ka 46 to ne zo dima option ka 49 ngin ki pya hiya he teng la ka khat zo chu hi di yailam ya la ta ya lak bangai le kha ya lak chu hi the ding mo pasalin influence zo changa uche le with respect to boys yon jong dinga uchina dekho 8 into 9.20 yain he likha 4 into 10 5 into 2 2 9 is 18 by 5 equal to 2 is 15 5 is 30 ma 3.6 ong pa ai le to ha whole average ka boys plus 3.6 ong boys aka bangza le 46 plus 3.6 equal to 49.6 mala hai pen long swak ai le ha kha himong mo le hi weighted average method in le hang le hong dik de ya average weighted method aka hi som dinga girls ka bangza le 54 mo into 9 plus boys 46 into 11 upon 20 mo to na ya hi le hang 486 plus 506 upon 20 equal to 299.20 ma account hi le 2 4 za 80 9 za 49.6 mang pai mo ai imu za ma hong ki bang wa ja ka method yu tu za te hi chi hi kaun gen dinga tuna aba nai pai dinga ya le dena dan ma hiya 50 students 46 are girls and the remaining are boys the average of the boys yeah more girls is hi le girls le boys and can non dinga 46% ya 46 hi le ha 54 he ma average marks le girls le boys and can dinga ya ka bangza girls 62 boys ka 58 ma ka 23 into 27 hale ratio dan yan mas dinga ya ka 4 with 60 hale 50 laka ka boys percent tamzo hale average le boys in influence thi wa ja ka 60 ka halai hile 58 boys tamzo ja ka ya lam hi te di 60 chu hilo di wa ja ka khat vei chayen ma le option ya pen batik thei mo hile sure na ding na solve dinga 4 difference hi amo ya tika 4 into with respect to boys is yakina 23 le 23 50 ya is solving ya ka 2 into 25 46 upon 25 equal to 2 1 za 2 2 za la hilo 2 1 za 2 again ma hale to na average ka boys plus 1.84 ong hi ai le 58 boy sa ha plus 1.84 ji changena 59.8 forong kai ma ya dena di chi pe ma mang hiya tuna weighted average method in jang le hang le hai ma ong pai ding dena izong dan ma wai da na hiya tuna yu dan po jang le hang po lo hi ai le ya ta ni na average te zo dinga ka ki pa ke